Chad Schmitz. I'm a spray foamer for Installed Building Solutions. Today we got the Fusion PC. It's been working really well. If you have a gun like this, it's so much easier because you don't have to clean all the parts. You don't want downtime. Nobody likes downtime. If the head's bad, it's disposable. You put a new one on and you're ready to go.
My name is David Joyce and I work for Installed Building Solutions as a mechanic. In the previous Fusion guns, you have many parts and pieces with the side seals and getting those put back together. Now with the Fusion ProConnect, less parts, easier accessibility to changing the head and the cartridge and the mix chamber out, and you're back up and running within 5 to 10 minutes instead of an hour to an hour and a half.
And the nice thing is it fits on the old air purge handles as well, so you don't have to completely buy a whole new system.
With the new Fusion PC, the training time is literally about 10 to 15 minutes, and the inventory parts is definitely less. All we have to do is have extra cartridge heads on hand and extra mix chambers.
So I just got done doing a job. It was 5,000 square feet of 9 inches in the ceiling. It took me about 3 weeks to do the whole job, and it was the same cartridge.
And we're running about 30 sets of material through those cartridges before they have to be swapped over.
That's a lot of material going through one gun, and to have it last that long is pretty impressive.
Previously, we had one installer that was using the regular Fusion gun, so he was having issues about once every week, and now with the Fusion PC gun, he's been spraying for about a month and a half with the same gun, not having to do anything to it.
So with the Fusion ProConnect, it eliminates downtime, so it's a game changer, I think.